Nurses, we all have those days. Long shifts, endless tasks, and stress piling up. But what if you could create your own go-to essential oil blend, customized for your specific needs? Blends can help you relax, refocus, and stay energized all together. And if you missed our previous post on essential oil blends versus single oils, check it out to be on the loop. So here's how to make your personalized blend. First, grab a small dropper bottle. You'll also need a carrier oil like jojoba or sweet almond oil to help dilute the essential oils so they're safe for your skin. Fill up about 90% of the bottle with carrier oil of your choice. The rest is where the magic happens. Now, let's talk about what you need most. If feeling overwhelmed, lavender, chamomile, and bergamot work wonders for stress relief. If you need an energy boost, peppermint, rosemary, and lemon will wake up your senses. And if you want to fight off colds, eucalyptus, tea tree, and frankincense support your immune system. The trick is to pick 2 to 3 oils that complement each other. Once you've got your oils, add about 8 to 10 drops in total into the carrier oil and shake. Just like that, your custom blend is ready to use. Roll it onto your wrists, neck, or temples whenever you need a reset. Or pop a few drops into a diffuser for a calming shift. Blends are simple, effective, and made just for you. Check in the description for a sample formula. Drop a comment, and let's create the perfect, nurse-friendly blends together.